Hi everyone. Festive season is around the corner, and I was thinking that sometimes during festive season, you know what happens, that आपकी पढ़ाई का that focus or the determination or probably that flow of studies छूट जाता है, and it gets very difficult after a certain point of time to kind of come back into the flow of study. So I thought I should definitely try to inspire you. I should definitely get you something which makes you feel that yes, indeed, you are made for greatness. You're going to be a doctor, and leave you with something which is totally inspirational. So isse Dr. Devi Shetty, one of India's foremost cardiac surgeons, cardiothoracic surgeons, person who's made affordable healthcare for everybody, उनसे ज़्यादा आपको मोटिवेट और इंस्पायर उनकी लाइफ स्टोरी से ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तो मैंने कहा चलो आपके साथ थोड़े से स्निपेट्स उनकी लाइफ के शेयर करते हैं. कर्नाटका में देयर इज़ अ वेरी स्मॉल विलेज बाय द नेम ऑफ दक्षिण कर्नाटका में थिंगोली, वहाँ पे उनका जन्म हुआ. आउट ऑफ 9 चिल्ड्रन ही वॉज द 8th वन. तो मैं उनके बारे में बहुत रिसर्च कर रही थी, पढ़ रही थी. तो ही सेड दैट that itself, that he was one of the 9 children, he was the 8th. तो बचपन से ही, because people used to bully him, there were a lot of elders around, so he said I learned how to cope up. It made me stronger. पढ़ाई की अगर मैं specifically बात करूँ, he was very categorically saying कि बिल्कुल फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता अगर आप टॉप नंबर लेकर आ रहे हैं, यानी डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू गेट इनटू द टॉप मेडिकल कॉलेजेस, यू हैव टू क्लियर एग्जाम लाइक नीट. पर ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपके स्कूल में भी आप टॉप आ रहे थे या सिर्फ टॉपर्स ही डॉक्टर्स बनते हैं, टॉपर्स ही टॉप सर्जन्स बनते हैं. ही सेड देयर वर सो मेनी टाइम्स दैट ही हैड नॉट डन सो वेल इन हिज स्टडीज़, बट इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट ही इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट accomplished surgeons of our times. And how important it is to see dreams. He said when the first heart transplant took place, he was just an 8th or 9th, और तब से उन्होंने मन में ठान लिया कि I have to become a surgeon, I have to become a cardiac surgeon. And how important it is to stay grounded, ज़िंदगी को बहुत पास से देखना, because that is what motivated him. He saw that there are so many people who don't have affordable health care. और जैसे मैं तो आपको हमेशा कहती हूँ, अगर वानी मैम के डॉक्टर बने हो, वानी मैम के स्टूडेंट हो, तो एक दिन अपनी OPD ज़रूर फ्री करोगे. यू विल टोटली बिकम वन ऑफ द काइंडेस्ट डॉक्टर्स दैट दिस कंट्री हैज़ सीन. सो please don't give up on your dreams. Please don't think that if I'm not going well in my studies in 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, I will not be able to become a doctor. There are so many inspirational figures around us who show us, who tell us that not giving up is the most important thing. Believing in your dreams is the most important thing. And how super specialist surgeons, super amazing doctors like Devi Shetty tell us that in spite of all the failures that he must have faced in his life, he did not give up, and he wanted to do something big for humanity and the society, and that is what made him one of the foremost surgeons of our time. So I hope you found this story inspirational, and I hope you will not give up on your dreams. Take care everyone, and enjoy the festivals, but don't forget to keep hustling, because remember, no guts, no glory, no hustle, no story. Take care. Bye.